So you want to use Windows 11, but Microsoft say you are not eligible. Don't worry, because today in this video, we are going to bypass Windows 11 installation legally. Make sure you have at least 4 GB of RAM. Okay, so let's get started. I'm installing Windows on a virtual machine, but in your case you need to create a bootable USB drive. Now boot Windows 11 and wait. Let me show you real quick that my PC supports Windows 11 or not. As you can see, my PC does not support Windows 11. Now click on this icon twice. Now hold Shift and press F10 to open CMD. Here type regedit and press Enter to open Registry Editor. Now open the following directory. Here right-click on it and create a new key. And name it labconfig. Now create a new DWORD 32-bit value. Now type the following. Also create these DWORD values. Now open first one and add one, then click on OK. Repeat this for the rest. Now close the Registry Editor and CMD as well. Now click on this, select the Pro version. Accept the terms and select Custom, then click on Next to start installation. So we successfully bypassed the Windows 11. After installation, I was able to update important features and drivers. So this is running on virtual machine, and I allocated only 4 GB of RAM, and it's still working well. As you can see, it's working smoothly on 4 GB RAM. But sometimes it lags, because I'm recording. Also, there are no restrictions, because we done this legally. I hope this helped. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. This is all for today. Thanks for watching.